What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's me, Rickey Jones Jr., back again for another video, and more specifically an unboxing video. Like I said, it's all about elevation and progression on this here channel, and this unboxing video is going to help us do just that, largely because we have to make sure our lighting is exquisite for our videos, okay? And with us moving, we had so many different lights, and so I was like, okay, we have to compact all of these lights into something more manageable to move. And so two lights is what we have in this particular box. So I am going to go ahead and unbox these bad boys for you. And it's the ring lights. A lot of y'all may already have them, or maybe y'all are like me and was just looking to see what they were all about. And so here we go, great people. If you are in the market for these bad boys, I'll put a link in the description below. And if you'll be so kindly to click that link to when you go purchase them, okay? It'll help your boy out because I am an Amazon affiliate, okay? All right, so get into this box. There's two boxes in the one box, because obviously you can't have enough boxes. And safety's first. All right, so boom, here's one of them. And what we're gonna do, just make sure we have the ability to get in, my friend. I try to do it nice and clean, but it always doesn't work out that way. Oh, we're in here. So here's the light stand, as it reads on the box, light stand, okay? They made it easy, you know, and boom diggity. Just like that. It's that easy, because everything is in here, okay? All right, that was a thumbnail for those who didn't know. See, the YouTube creators, they already knew what that was. But anyway, so opening this bad boy up, we can see right here. Well, I'm not gonna start there. Let's not start there. Let's start with the light stand, which I'm gonna keep this box, knowing that we're about to move. I need to make sure everything is nice, easy, and compact for the move, all right? And so, let's see. Oh, so it can fold all the way. Oh, so boom shakalaka, I could take that. All right, so not like we're gonna unbox, but we're gonna assemble all at the same time. We're gonna see how easy this bad boy is, or not. But anyway, as I open it up like a pizza box, we're gonna pull out the lights. And then also in this pack are these here shades, I believe, and probably the power cord for the lights. Let's see. Yep. And so in this here particular box, we have the light shade covers, either your whites or your other color, which I don't know. I'll just take out the white one. And then our power adapter, you have an adapter where you can put a phone right here. So if you're vlogging or something from your phone, or if you have a camera that you want to put in here, boom shakalaka, which I'll probably do that. That's pretty cool. And then you have a button where you can turn the light on or off, powered by Bluetooth technology. All right, so boom shakalaka. I'll take this, and I will actually show you all what it looks like with the lights of this on. You know, why not? You know, we're family. We're family. I'm gonna just be honest and transparent. Quite honestly, I'm actually using the light right now, and these are one of the lights that I probably gift to a great friend of ours. And just roll with what we have with these two ring lights. I pray that this will be all that we need. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here. Shouts out to NEEWER. I just did some reviews and read reviews and saw that they were the best in the business. So why not get the best, right? When you're trying to do what's right. All right, so we're gonna just put this right on top, like so. Yep, see, man, again, it's all about easy technology. Easy technology is the name of the game. See, with all these different improvements, game is about to be official, y'all. All right, so boom. I'm gonna take this attachment for the camera, and let's see, what do you do? Oh, you slide it in there. So there's this groove that you just slide it into back here. All right, don't know how to tighten it from there. Maybe just spin it. I don't know, it feels a lot of loose. I feel like a lot of loose parts. I don't like it, but we're gonna see what happens. All right, so here we have the power. I'll slide this over with the power. We're just gonna unravel this bad boy so it could be nice and available. There's a cord right here. Boop, 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 that you just plug in the power cable to. Boom shakalaka. And then, so ladies and gentlemen, you see me now without the ring light, and in about 3, 2, 1, and here we have the ring light that is cascading over me, which is pretty dope. I love how it looks, right? And so this is with it without the shade, right? Here's the shade right here. So I'm going to put the shade on it as well so you can see what that looks like. So here's before without the shade, and here's what it looks like with the shade on, okay? And so one of the things I'm gonna have to figure out is how to level out the camera, because I feel like it's a little bit more loose than I want it to be. However, I do like the light that it is giving me, with natural light coming in, light coming from the ring, and light coming from the ceiling itself. And so we'll see what it looks like during night shoots and things like that. However, I love the glow that I'm having, and you know, it's nice. It's nice. You know, if I get closer, I'm like boom, 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 boom. I don't know why I would be doing that, but anyway, maybe you're doing that. You're wondering what it looks like if you are boom, 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 boom in your videos. So anyway, all that to say, I do like it. I'm gonna give it a try on some future content that we will be rolling out on this here channel, and well, actually the podcast channel is where, and I'll put a link down below for that channel, and you can see those things, right? You'll see in the description all the different things that I'm using in the videos, just to keep some consistency and to help those that may be wondering, how do you get that look? How do you get that sound? How do you get it to be what it is that I'm seeing? Let's look down below, okay? It'll be all in the description. I was thinking as I was rolling. Anyway, here we are, great people. The unboxing has occurred for the NEEWER Ring Light, and this one is the 18-inch, if not 19-inch, but the link will be the one that it is so that you can see it and you can go and get it yourself if this is something that you want to get or do for your content creation, right? It's been a fun day, y'all, I must say. 3 unboxings today, and hey, it was only up from here, okay? That's the only way we have to go. Anyway, until next time, great people, I love you all. I appreciate you all. See you on the next video. Peace. Ha-ha.